You, my dear friends, Marco here. All right, so this is the English version of the reading for Gemini for the 5th to the 11th of August. So in order to pull the same cards, I guess, I already did the Italian reading. So I'm going to use the exact same cards because, of course, it's the same sign, just a different language. So I'm going to use the same cards exactly. I'm going to lay it out as they come out for the Italian reading. So basically, I'm going to translate it, just about it. The only difference is I would pull a different law of attraction message at the end, but everything else is going to be the same. Okay, you guys? All right. So let's start. So the first card we pulled was this one here. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. There you go. Now, the energy for the week, here it is. Protection from above, but also warning. And then we're going to pull the 5 cards, then 3 cards for the final message. So, this is your reading, you guys, for the second week. No, the first week of what? Well, from the 5th to the 11th, I guess 1.5. Okay, so what this reading is telling you, guys, is that you're embarking on something which is a commitment. And it's a very long-term commitment. And this commitment, it entails something which you had ended before and you're going back into it. This whatever it is, this partnership, this marriage, this engagement, this friendship, whatever it is, you will find out in a second, was once dead. It was finished. But you want to bring it back into life again. See the sun coming out from behind the hill here? You want to start from scratch again, from zero. And there is a pretty deep, heavy-duty commitment that they want to take with this individual. Now, I am not telling you not to. You're going to see from the cards in a minute that there was a mistake made before, and there was a judgment. It was a test. And apparently, if you're going to go back into it, then basically you failed the test. Because here is the cards, the 5 cards. There you go. Person from the past. Okay. This is a session. This is a counseling session. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Things going ahead, and you had an argument with this person. 2, 4, 5. And there you go. 2, 4, 5. No, that's it. That's it. But look, just to show you how serious this is, look, pulling an extra card, which I shouldn't, because there's 5 on the deck here. Look, same card as before. This thing had died, okay? So now you want to bring it back to life. You guys had a major misunderstanding, a major argument, This person is from the past, as you can see. And now they want to come back. Why they want to come back? Because you haven't stopped thinking about them. And they haven't stopped thinking about you. However, as we see here, as you see with these 3 cards right here, this was a test. This person had taken advantage of you big time. And if you do go back with them, and perhaps you buy a house together, and perhaps you get a loan, and perhaps you help them, whatever, you're going to go broke. Simple as that. See, this card there is underneath the loan, underneath the bank or the lawyer, wherever that is. You're going to go broke, you guys. Now, is this reading for everyone? Of course not. This is general. This is for no one and everyone. In other words, I am reading for the energy of the Gemini, not for John, Mary, or Frank, or Jack, right? So take it as you will. However, all I'm telling you is that you wish to revive this thing. You see the sun coming out of behind the hill there? You wish to revive this thing, But I'm telling you that the energy is, didn't you learn the lesson before? Now, let me tell you why you haven't learned the lesson. Well, it is because it is a past life relationship. You see? This is the card I pulled before. It's a past life relationship. In other words, you guys keeping and coming into each other's life over and over again, and perhaps you're having fun. I don't know. Perhaps it's a contract you have. Perhaps it's karma, whatever you want to call it. But what I'm telling you is what the cards are telling you. Think and think and think again. A lot of thinking, a lot of thinking. Don't jump into anything, because just as they took advantage of you before, this time they're gonna send you. They're gonna make you broke. They're gonna send you broke altogether. And the card of the Judgment right in the middle here is telling you, didn't you learn the lesson the first time? You had to cut it off completely. I know you're very attracted to them. We know that. That's the, very attractive person. We know that. Could even be a Scorpio, extremely attractive. But be careful. You do what you want. All I'm telling you is this can ruin you. This can make you broke. This, you can lose everything. You could be on the street. Don't go and sign big commitments, big financial commitments and loans and mortgages and so on and so forth. See, you're thinking to start all over again with them. See, from zero. And we got the card of the wedding here, right next to it. Next to a banker, next to a lawyer. Are you kidding me? Think about it. This thing was dead once. Why do you want to resuscitate it again? Think about it. This is what they did to you. The universe is warning you. You're going to go broke. Do what you want. And this person is not even with you right now. They're far away. So be careful. Like, we know it's a past life relationship. Perhaps you guys are just having fun. Every time you just keep on getting together and see what happens. Okay, that's fine. But all I'm telling you, the cards are telling you, think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Okay, you guys? All right. Now, law of attraction message. Then we're going to pull a coin. Oh, by the way, signs on the table, if you care to know, we got several of them. We got Sagittarius, Virgo, Aries, Cancer, Libra, Scorpio. And that's it. Okay? All right. So general reading, you guys. Okay? If you need a personal reading, write me. The address is right left, bottom left. Speak to Marco@outlook.com. And then we're going to talk about you guys specifically. Right now it's on sale. You save $30 or 30 euros, depending where you're at. All right. 3. 1, 2, and 3. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. So, I told you that the only thing I would have changed from the Italian reading is the law of attraction card. Would you believe me if I told you that this is the exact same card that came out for the Italian reading? I mean, there is 74 cards, 78 cards in here, you guys. How can this be a coincidence? It's like, no, you have to use the same card. You guys, if you don't believe me, I know you believe me, I'm just saying that. Just take a look at the Italian reading. I pulled the same card. The exact same card. I still remember because I did it 15 minutes ago. That when you focus on good things, you attract good thing. When you focus on bad thing, you attract bad thing. How is this possible? This card's magic or what? So in other words, the reading had to be exactly the same. And I want to see if the coin comes out on no, because for the Italian version came out on no. So I want to see in a minute. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Incredible. This is impossible. So anyways, this is the card that the Seth wants for you. So here it is. When focusing upon solution, I feel good. Focusing upon a solution brings you positive emotion. Focus upon a problem brings you negative emotion. While the differences are subtle, they're very important. When you're feeling positive emotions, you're attracting into your experience that which you want. When you're feeling negative emotions, you are in the process of attracting that which you do not want. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. Let's see if the coin is also no. That would be really weird. Really, really weird. Think of your question, okay, guys? Think of your question. Here is your answer. Yeah, look. It's a no. Son of a gun. It's a no. Can't believe this. Cannot believe this. So the reading had to be exactly the same, you guys. No difference whatsoever. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, Seth sure knows what he's doing. All right, you guys. So we're at the end of it. Like I said, I'm not going to talk about planets or stars. I get right into it. I give you the main message and we'll go from there, okay? I don't want to waste your time. I know that the average video length is 9 to 12 minutes, so I don't want to keep you more than 12 or 13 minutes, okay? If you need to talk specifically about you personally, get a hold of me, and then you're going to be very surprised. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Big happy. See you soon.